Alright, so this is Activity 5, Ask Your Parent Part 2. So I lived with my grandparents for most of my childhood. And for both of my grandparents, they said they weren't allowed to leave the table until they finished everything on their plate, even though they may not like it. They still had to eat everything. Meals were pretty much the same and consistent for both of them, from elementary school to high school, and for both of them too, they normally sat at the kitchen table for meals. For my grandfather, he mentioned that his parents made he and his siblings drink this smoothie, I guess, called a goodie. And he said that it was absolutely disgusting and he hated it. And also with that L drink, he normally would have bacon, eggs, and toast. And on the weekends, it varied, but he said he mostly would have cereal. And for dinner, his mom normally would cook southern fried foods. And since they lived on a cattle farm, they would eat a lot of beef. And unfortunately, he said his environment was pretty negative because of the fact that his father was really controlling. For my grandmother, she said that she and her family ate a lot of vegetables because her grandparents farmed, and so her grandparents would grow a lot of vegetables. One of the most frequent meats she would eat would be fried chicken. And she also said that the environment she was in while eating was normally a happy one.